Hi guys, good morning. Time check, it's 9 o'clock and it's our second to the last day here in Egypt, and we are now driving towards Taba. We will be staying at the beach, Strand Beach Resort there for one night, and then we come back tomorrow here in Sharm El Sheikh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes.
Entering through the Dahab
Yes.
gate.
Now we are approaching to the first checkpoint going out Sharm El Sheikh, the entry to Dahab, and that's the wall over there. So over here they just check the passports and ID card. Okay, done with the checkpoint, guys. So check the ID.
Right, is it?
Yeah,
It's the right one there.
Yeah. They check the ID, ask where we are from, and then now they take a picture. They took a picture of the car and us. So we are outside the wall now, the wall of Sharm El Sheikh. So this is how it looks here. Lots of trucks going in and out, and 2 lanes. So for the car, you can drive max 100 km/h. So 2 lanes on each way. Look at these guys on the sides. Garbage, plastics. No good. Just passed the second checkpoint, but they did not take a look of our passport. So here we are to the checkpoint, going to Dahab to the right, St. Catherine to the left. There is also a gasoline station and a coffee shop.
You know what?
What?
We take this one. Huh?
Oh.
Too many people there.
Okay, we take this one.
No?
Yeah. Okay guys, so we chose this one because on the other side there are lots of people and more traffic. So here there's no one. So this one is the same as the one on the other side, take 5, but this one closes at 12 midnight, and the one on the other side it's open 24 hours, and there's also a gasoline station there. So here we are at the Hub security checkpoint, and we're on a queue. They're very thorough on checking the buses, the vans, and the cars.
Assalamu alaikum. Taba. Taba Heights. Yeah.
They did not even take a look at our passport. Maybe they got already a record of our car here. I've been in and out 3 times now. In and out of Sharm El Sheikh.
55.
Okay, here is the intersection.
Get the passport.
We just passed another checkpoint. Suwal security checkpoint is the name. So they just took a look of the car, wrote down the plate number, yeah, and that's it. Hi guys, so we are having a stop here at Heaven Gates Camp. This is like a 5 minutes drive past Nueva, and so this place looks closed. Look at those cute accommodations. We just passed another checkpoint, Al Badan security checkpoint. We just ask where we came from,
No,
and then where we're heading. This looks like apartments
empty.
here.
Empty.
They're satellite dishes. Okay. Here's the entrance.
Hello.
Here's final entrance.
I wonder how much this is gonna be.
Okay, stop here. Entrance. They ask for the card and the driver's license or ID card first. Turn right.
Yes.
Another checkpoint. He knows already.
Yes.
Okay, that was the second checkpoint entering the hotel or the resort.
It looks nice there. Well, let's see how it is.
So, 250. Yeah, you see the entrance. Strand Beach Resort. Oh,
Yeah.
looks nice. Nice garden and Taba Heights. Another checkpoint.
Yeah, checkpoint. Which way?
Taba Heights here.
This way. Ah,
Here.
this way. Right. Give me the passports.
So third checkpoint, guys. Just entering the resort.
Two
There's
guys
a guy
waiting
there.
there to meet you. Hello. You step out of the car. I take care of the luggage.
Hi guys, so we safely arrived here at Strand Beach Resort, Taba Heights. So now I'm going to give you our room tour. So let's take a look at the bathroom first. Here is the shower. It's separate. There's a toilet. Okay, you can drink the water here. Shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Have a hair blower. Here is a mirror and water cooker, complimentary coffee. Oh, Nescafe, my favorite. Okay, so here is our king size bed. King size bed, and we got a Wi-Fi router and cabinets. So here is our room. There's a television there, mirror, and then let's take a look at the view. Okay, so here is the view, and my husband is right over there. Here is the view, guys. So let's look for other tourists. I saw a couple and a kid on the beach. Tourists there. See? Okay. But here, no one. Let's go to the pool. Floor 1, 2, 3, reception. below. Hey guys, if in Norway we have seagulls there that comes close when you're eating, here we have crows. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing or clicking the like button below. Bye!